Wini kini dalam Jakaseng Kongres beri udkhot joko All India Congress Committee umbukul Wasnik belawan syaka jela maklian dekat tapan pet kre ya ka jengele election Jakaseng Kongres ngari ka jela ulong Bakaseng BJP wala da kamyo makana ya jeng bun beriu ki MLA hadi mala dipek election mereka pun kam da kabor bara kapisa pan thied iki bipat ke menini ko Pakiseng da kam taban yo ban thaw Sorkar ya kini umbukul Wasnik ula pan pau ka je kedu bagentot khobor ha Kongres wan Shillong ha ka khalai terik ukulan kon Kesnem arja arpulai.
In the recent past, unfortunately, the party at the center, which is there in some other states as well, and in recent years, they have also started entering different northeastern states, and some of the states they are in government. Their type of politics has been, if they get majority in elections, well and good, they will form the government. If they don't get majority, they will try and buy MLAs from other parties. Not only buying MLAs, but threatening MLAs. And by all means, they will try to get majority. This we have seen. We have seen in Arunachal Pradesh, one man in 5 months from 3 different parties was sworn in as the chief minister. Now this has not happened anywhere. I don't believe that it may have happened anywhere in the world. But because of the BJP, this has happened in Arunachal Pradesh. What happened in Manipur? What happened in Goa? What happened in Uttarakhand? What happened in Rajasthan? What happened in Madhya Pradesh? Everywhere. And solely, I think BJP has polluted Indian democracy like anything, and that is threat to our democracy. I think BJP has decided to field their candidates in Meghalaya. This will, certainly as a political party, it's their right, but I'm afraid to say that they are the biggest pollutant in Indian democracy.
Do you have a chief ministerial candidate?